See guys, a lot of tomato. And cherry tomato. So many. I could not believe. See guys. We're making tomato sauce. Ayan guys, pang paksiw guys. Ayan, ang dami guys. It's one casserole. Because it's winter is coming, so we harvest like this. Ayan guys, we're gonna boil this one for 30 minutes or 1 hour. And then we cool down and then we put in Ziploc. And then we put in the freezer. So that we can use for sinigang or paksiw. This is green tomato guys. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, luto na. Ito guys. Magiging cold siya. So it's cooked already guys. And then we cool down and then we put in the fridge. Sa freezer guys. We put on the freezer. So that we consume every time we cook sour, just like sinigang, paksiw, like that. Kasi dito sa Canada guys, pag hindi mo ginanito, masisira lang, matatapon lang sa basura. So, kailangan natin ilagay sa Ziploc, dalawang ganito sa Ziploc, yung maliit na Ziploc. And then, lagay natin sa freezer. So, malaking tulong ito sa ekonomiya. Hindi kagaya sa ibang bansa na puro summer, dito is mostly is winter time. Karamihan winter time, malamig ang panahon. So ito, kasi maasim ito guys, maasim. Green tomato. And guys, thank you for watching.